Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, know your Windows build, and have admin rights. Open PowerShell as administrator right now. This gives you full access to query installed components. Once done, you can run discovery commands that reliably report NET versions. Make sure any antivirus or policy restrictions are noted because they can block detection or installation. If you plan to install after checking, keep the offline installer or internet connection ready to save time. Now you perform the detection. In PowerShell, query the registry path under HKLM to list full NET framework releases, that shows legacy framework versions. Alternatively, run .NET List runtimes and .NET List SDKs to see NET Core and NET versions. These commands show exactly what runtime and SDK are present. Once you have those outputs, compare the reported major, minor. Build numbers to your application's requirements so you know whether an upgrade or specific runtime. Finally, take action. If a required framework is missing, enable it via Windows features for older frameworks or run the official installer for newer NET versions and then reboot. If installation fails, check Windows Update, ensure background intelligent transfer service and Windows modules installer are running, and run sfc/scano to repair system files. If commands still don't report expected versions, repeat the detection steps after reboot and confirm logs. That isolates permission or corruption issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.